What's up everyone? Welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews. Today we are going to talk about a gadget that's perfect for those who love hitting the road while staying safe. Meet the Wolfbox G900pro dashcam. This isn't just your regular dashcam, it's packed with features like 4K resolution, Wi-Fi, voice command and more. I have been using it for a bit now and I am here to share my thoughts and show you what makes this dashcam stand out. Let's get started. So, what's the G900pro dashcam all about? At its core, it offers some top-tier specs that immediately grab your attention. You have got crystal clear 4K front camera paired with a 2.5K rear camera. Whether you are driving under the bright sun or on a dimly lit street, this camera is designed to capture every moment in stunning detail. It even includes the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, ensuring you get excellent video quality even in low light conditions. For anyone concerned with safety, this is a game changer. But that's not all. This dashcam is packed with smart features. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and an app that lets you control everything directly from your phone. You can review footage, adjust settings, and even download video instantly, all without having to deal with memory cards or cables. Plus, voice control makes the G900pro a true hands-free experience. More on that later. One of the main selling points here is the 4K resolution. If you have ever used a regular 1080p dashcam, the difference in quality is day and night. That extra clarity can make all the difference if you ever need to provide footage as evidence. Combined with the 2DNR and 3DNR noise reduction technology, the G900pro manages to reduce image noise and keep footage smooth even in challenging environments. So, day or night, you will be confident that this dashcam captures everything clearly. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, Wi-Fi control through the app. Once you have installed the camera, you can easily connect it to your phone. The app makes it super convenient to manage everything without pulling out the memory card. Want to review the footage of your road trip or check out an important clip? Open the app and you have got it at your fingertips. You can also download the videos in full resolution, making it easy to share or store them without losing any quality. Plus, the app's GPS feature allows you to track your car's route in real time, giving you speed and location data for every drive. Whether you are documenting your travels or tracking an important event, the G900pro has you covered. Now, let's get into the voice control feature, which is perfect for keeping your focus on the road. The G900pro allows you to give voice commands in control various functions. For example, you can say take picture, turn on Wi-Fi or lock the video and the dashcam will follow your instructions. This comes in handy if you need to quickly capture a snapshot or secure footage after an incident, all without taking your hands off the wheel. This voice control feature is one of those things you didn't know you needed until you have it. It really adds to the overall convenience and helps make the G900pro one of the safest options out there. Next, let's talk about the installation. Wolfbox has done a great job making the setup process simple even for beginners. Inside the box, you'll get all the tools you need to mount the dashcam on your windshield and wire it to your car's power supply. The rear camera is also easy to install, and if you want to take advantage of the reversing assist feature, you can connect it to your car's reverse lights. This helps make parking in tight spaces a lot easier. Once installed, the dashcam automatically starts recording when you start your car and it turns off when you switch off engine. Thanks to the G sensor and parking monitor, the camera also records any incidents while the car is parked. This is a huge plus if you are worried about someone bumping into your car when you are not around. Speaking of reversing, the G900pro also has reverse assist, which makes parking a breeze. As soon as you shift into reverse, the camera's display switches to rear view, giving you a clear image of what's behind you. The 12-inch touchscreen allows for easy navigation between the front and rear cameras, and you can even split the screen if you want to see both sides at the same time. The parking monitor is another great feature, especially for those who park in busy areas on the street. If the camera detects a collision while your car is parked, it logs the video and ensures that your footage is saved. This means if someone hits your car while you are away, you'll have the evidence to back it up. So, is the Wolfbox G900pro dashcam worth it? Absolutely! With its incredible 4K video quality, smart feature like Wi-Fi and voice control, and a super easy installation process, it's one of the best dashcams out there right now. Whether you are looking for a way to protect yourself on the road, record your trips, or just want some peace of mind while driving, the G900pro has you covered. If you're in the market for a dashcam upgrade, I would definitely recommend checking out the Wolfbox G900pro. It's packed with features that go beyond just recording video. It's like having a digital co-pilot that ensures you stay safe on the road. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews here on Rafi Gadget Reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe. Bye bye.